I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to reset your password for your TELUS account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the TELUS login page. Visit the official TELUS website and navigate to the login section. This is where you'll find the option to reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srocc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your TELUS account. Make sure to double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from TELUS. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the link in the email. Click the link provided in the email to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements listed on the page. Remember, if you don't receive the email, it might take a few minutes or could be blocked by your email provider. Good luck resetting your password.